Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So the pound yen did make a very strong move down over the last few days, mostly because of the pound, not really so much because of the yen. I personally still think it's going to hit this 78% fib, which is right around the 202 area on the daily. Yes, it potentially could take several weeks for it to get there, maybe a month or more, but I think that this is going to still make another higher low. I still think we're going to eventually see another higher low. And I still think that it's going to continue to make these higher highs, higher lows, probably all the way up to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, because the daily did turn down, and because we do not have a fib bounce with a breaker structure to the upside yet, you could definitely still be looking for sorts. I would expect to see at least another push to the downside. But as always, definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. If it bounces from one of these fib levels, goes up, gives you a breaker structure, then definitely stop looking for shorts and definitely go back to looking for longs, especially because of our daily and weekly time frame analysis. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked out here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.